What's up, guys? It's your boy. So in this video, we're going down a mountain with no brakes. We have brakes, we're just using an exhaust brake. 6% grade, about 4 miles long. Just gonna see how the exhaust brake does. So if you enjoy these videos, if you enjoy trucking, hotshot trucking, new trucks, old trucks, just talk trucks in the industry, you're in the right spot. Do me, you, and everyone else a favor and hit the ding ding and subscribe, and we'll see you up the road. Alright guys, we are at 37, we were at 3742 feet. We're going down. We're going to use full exhaust brake just because this is a big one, and this isn't the one I want to test the emergency brake or the automatic brake on. So I want to run this probably 48 to 50. So that's where we're at there. Now you see, I'm not even touching the brake right now. 65 to 55. So we're just going to ride, and we're going to see what the truck does. If I need to hit the gas or I need to hit the brake. Alright, as of right now, this is what we got. We're going down, we're at 51. So 49 to 50, 51 is kind of where I want to be. We're just going to see how much of this we can do with no brakes. Still, my foot is not on the brake. As you see, we're at 49. We're down to 34, 36. This is a 6% grade. And we have got to fix that CB. Still at 48, 47. We're down to 3,300. Has it moved? So now, as I've said before, you can go down a mountain 1,000,000 times too slow. You can only go down it too fast one time. And there's the runaway truck ramp. And again, this is the full exhaust brake. And with the full, if you look in the manual or look up what Cummins says, the full exhaust brake is to slow you down. The automatic is to maintain speed. But at what we're doing, I don't want to test the automatic, so we'll test it on another smaller grade. And now it feels, look at that, that's pretty. It really feels like I'm doing about 25 miles an hour. That's really what this feels like. See, so now we're going to have to hit the fuel. So now I'm going to hit the fuel. I'm not going to hit the brake. I am going to hit the fuel. You see we're leveling. It's like we're leveling up a little bit. You see, it looks like we're getting ready to climb a little more. So yeah, see, we're climbing right now. So we'll climb back up, and then when we start going down, we'll do the same thing.
Continue en route.
Right now we're climbing. We're 3142. I am on the fuel, not on the brake. This is where we're at with this here. This truck is truly a breeze to drive. Very easy to drive. I don't like that there at all. Alright, so now with it being a runaway truck ramp, that tells me we're getting ready to go down again. So we're going to do the same thing. Next 3.5 miles is a 6% grade. So I did touch the brake just to slow me down a little bit to get me set where I want to be. We're still 46 mile an hour, 3,099, so we just broke under 4,000 feet. Maybe one day, as I said earlier, but I don't think you heard me, Dixie will hook me up with who made his CB mount. But we're still at 46. And I have not touched the brake on any of these descents. Now look at this runaway ramp. Like, that's kind of sketchy. Just the fact of it's straight. Like, yeah, the thing is, there's a lot of, like, that's really deep sand is what it is, but, ooh, sketchy. $45 mile an hour, 2,700 feet. This exhaust brake is amazing. And we are on 26 southbound. I don't know what the what mountain we're going up or down. Check that out. This lane is 2,500 feet. And our elevation is 2550 right now, 45 mile an hour. Now we're at 45. See, alright, so now we're going to get on it because it looks like we're done dropping. Well, maybe not. But I needed some fuel, so we'll see what happened. Yeah, trucks and vehicles. That means we're down the mountain. Made that whole mountain without touching the brake, except for the top percentage. So we will try the automatic brake and see how that works. So, if you guys like these videos, you like learning about new trucks, new trailers, and how to hotshot, do me, you, and all of us a favor. Like, share, don't forget to subscribe, but most important, hit that ding ding.